Hi class, welcome back for math. Let's go ahead and get started with some subitizing. Don't forget to put your fingers up and then we will shout it out together, okay? Count how many are here. How many do you see? 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. How many do you see? 5. Excellent. How many do you see? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. How many do you see? 5 and 5 makes 10. Very, very good. How many do you see here? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Last one. How many do you see? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very good, class. Let's go ahead and go to our number writing. All right, if you haven't already, write your numbers. Get out your notebook and fill in numbers 0 to 10. I want to see your number writing, so please have your parents send me a picture of your writing or of you listening to the Pinkfong song and writing your numbers, because we have to practice writing our numbers, or when we do our math problems, we won't be able to write the answer. So it's so important that we know how to write numbers 0 to 10 and from 10 to 20 if you want to continue to practice writing, okay? Let's do some number recognition. Shout it out loud and proud when you hear. Ready? Go. 6, 4, 3, 0, 2, 1, 10. Loud and proud. 9, 5, 7, 18, 13, 16, 8, and 20. Very, very good. Let's do our 2D shapes or our flat shapes. These ones are ones you can draw on the paper, but not play with in your hands because they are flat. They are 2D. What is this first one? A hexagon. A hexagon has how many sides? 6. Very good. What's this one down here? A rectangle. Excellent. How many sides does a rectangle have? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Are they equal? Yes or no? No, they are not equal. We see 1 long, 2 long, 1 short, 2 short. There are short sides and there are long sides, making it not equal sides. How about this one right here? Oval. How about this one? Diamond. Very good. How about this one? Square. How many sides does a square have? 4 sides. Are they equal or unequal? Equal, because they're the same. Very good. How about this one? Triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. Excellent. How about this one right here? Last one. Circle. Very good, class. Let's go ahead to our 3D shapes or our solid shapes. That means we can play with them. We can set stuff on them. We can move them around. Like a water bottle, you can move around and play with, right? That is a 3D shape or a solid shape. And an example of that is this shape right here. It's a cylinder. This orange one is a cylinder, like a Coke can or a water bottle. Those are both cylinders. Very good. What about this right here? A prism. Very good. This is a prism. How about this one right here? It's not a circle because a circle is flat. This one is 3D, so it can roll. What is it? A sphere. Very good. This one right here? Cube. Excellent. Cube. How about this one? Pyramid and cone. Very, very good. Let's do a problem now to practice. Sarah has 5 pinwheels. This is a pinwheel right here, this colorful thing, that's called a pinwheel. So she has how many pinwheels? 5. She buys 1 more. How many pinwheels does Sarah have now? So she started with how many? 5. How many more did she buy? 1 more. Does that mean we have to take away 1 or add 1 if she bought another one? We add 1. She had 5 and she bought 1 more. So how many pinwheels does she have now? Point to the answer. 6, right? She had 5 and she got 1 more, which makes 6. Very, very good. So you should have selected the answer of 6. Very good, class. All right, today we are going to show, count, and write numbers from 11 to 20 in a tower configuration, just like we see sometimes on number blocks, so that we can understand that from 11 to 20, we're going up, 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 increasing by 1, okay? So we're going to make a tower going from 10 to 20. So this is why it's so important you keep practicing writing your numbers from 10 to 20, because now we're getting into bigger numbers for our learning, all right? So look right here. All of the circles make a group of 10. So the circles are a group of 10, because this says 10 right here. Down here, the number tells us how many are in the column. So in this column of circles, there are 10. Right here, we're missing a number, so that's telling us we need to count. But I know that these all circles are 10, a group of 10 plus 1 extra. What's a group of 10 plus 1 extra? 10, 11. Very good. So I'm going to put the number 11 down here so that we can fill in our chart. So we have 10, 11, 12. But what's missing here? Right, a group of 10. So I'm going to make, there we go, a group of 10. There's our group of 10, the circles. And we need to put how many extra ones? We have the group of 10. And how many extra ones? 2. Very good. So I'm going to put the X's on there too. There's 1. There's 2. See how it's going up? So we started here, then we go up 1, up 1, up 1. Because every time we go up, 10, 11, 12, when we're counting by ones, we're adding 1 every time. Very good. So this was 12. What do you guys think comes next? What comes after 12? 13. Very, very good. But let's double check that we got that right. Let's count. 10 circles. We know that's a group of 10. 11, 12, 13. Very good. Now let's go ahead and make 14. You tell me, what do I need to put? How many groups of 10 and how many ones do I need to make 14? Okay, I heard somebody say 1 group of 10 because there's a 1 in the tens column. 1 group of 10. And how many ones? 4. See, there's a 1 here that tells us 1 group of 10 in the tens column. And how many ones? 4. Very, very good. So I'm going to go ahead and put some 1, 2, 3, 4. Does it still look like a pyramid going up? It does. That tells me we did it right. Very good. So now we have our next number. A group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra ones. 1 group of 10 and 5 extra ones. What number does that make? 15. 1 group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 1 group of 10, 5 extra ones makes the number 15. Very good. Now I want you to tell Miss Husing what I need to do for 16. How many groups of 10? 1. Look down here. 1 group of 10 and how many ones? 6. Good. So I'm going to put 5 and 6. Very, very good. How about this number? 17. How many groups of 10? 1, because the first number is 1 in the tens column. Then how many groups of 1? 1, 2. There we go. So we have 5, 6, 7. Was that right? Did we need 7 ones? Yes, we did. We needed 1 10 and 7 ones to make 17. Excellent. We have 18 now. How do we make 18? 1 group of 10. Good, you're getting it. And how many ones? 8. So I'm going to use my group of 5, 5, and then I'm going to add my extra 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's count. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Did I make 18? I did. Now we have this one right here with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What's our number that goes here? 19. Very good. Now for 20, look down here. How many groups of 10 do we have? 2. 2 groups of 10. So I'm going to use my group of 10 over here, the circles, and put 1 group of 10 and 2 groups of 10. Very good. Do we see that we need any extra ones, any X's? No, because there's a 0 there in the ones column. Very, very good. We filled in our chart with a tower configuration. Awesome. Let's go ahead and draw some lines between these numbers as we count up from 10 to 20. So 10 is at the bottom. We're going to go up 1. 10, 11. What comes next? 12. 10, 11, 12. So Miss Yusi's going to draw a line from 12. Point to 12 on the video screen. Which one over here is 12? Tell Miss Yusi I need help. There's 12. Okay, so 12 goes there. Very good. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Very good. Point to 14 so I know which one to draw a line to. Which one over here is 14? There it is, 14. Very, very good. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Point to 16. Very good. Show Miss Husing which one I need to put next. 16. There it is. So we have 16. What comes after 16? I heard somebody say it. 17. Very good. Point to 17 on the side so I know which one to point to. 17. There it is. Excellent. 17, 18, 19. There's our last one, 19. And what comes after 19? Look at the very top number. What comes after 19? 20. Very, very good. You know that when we're going from 10 to 20 and we're counting up every number, we're counting by ones. Very, very good, class. Okay, once you are done with your math lesson, you can go ahead and do education.com, happynumbers.com. I recommend definitely writing your numbers. Try and see if you can go all the way up to 20 because we are working with bigger numbers now and I want you to be ready for next year, okay? If you have a worksheet, you can go ahead and do it or work with your manipulatives. All right, class, I will see you tomorrow for more learning.